Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno on a 13 GT. It's actually a Roush RS3. The TVS 2300 supercharger. Me and old Tranny laying down over 650 real horsepower and 85. We are going to tell you how we got there. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us if today. I have Doug with me. First thing we're going to do is go down and check it out. We're going to watch that dyno pull. Let's get going. All right, I love the Gen 1 Coyote, and of course, I like Roush superchargers. So this client came in with this car. He had bought it used. You know, it already had the TVS 2300 on it. It already had the JLT on there too. We did some upgrades. We did billet oil pump gears, rear cylinder cooling kit, 4 return style fuel system. This thing's coming in about 9.5 pounds of boost. So we're gonna look at that after we watch the dyno. We look at the dyno graph. Doug, come down here, take a look. ID 1050 injectors, E85, the old 2300. Stainless power long tube headers, stock throttle body, which stock on a Roush is a GT500 throttle body. It already had the JLT intake on it. This is very much like our Brenspeed 710R package, which comes with a Roush cold air. I will put a link in the description so you can click on it, read a lot more about it. But it already had the JLT on there, so we're gonna use it. And hey, what's this cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. But right now, let's check out that dyno pull. All right, so this graph is on 85. It's our dyno jet rated SAE, running smoothing 5 today. Doug, come over and take a look. 667 real horsepower at 7,100 RPM. Torque, I love this, 568, peaking at 4,800. We're over 500 when we go wide open, 3,000 all the way across the board. Boost is peaking right at 9.5 pounds, and we're getting that right at 2,600 RPM, which I love about these type superchargers. But it's a very simple setup, stock engine, Gen 1 Coyote. I think on 93, we were right around 610, 615 real horsepower, but we're up to that right there on the 85. So return style fuel system, 1050 injectors. You know, we got the JLT air intake. Our 710R package comes with a Roush air intake. Again, open the description, click the link, you can look at it, but we also sell this as well. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment, happy to answer. We are located in Indiana. I will put a link at the end of this video, just click on it. A bunch of other supercharged Mustang videos, they're awesome. Thanks so much for watching.